All right, okay. Well, I'm Bert from Whitewater Docks, and this is our floating picnic table. First of its kind, and it was designed to show off our lifetime indestructible frames on our floating docks, which cannot be seen usually. So we came up with this idea to display them, which became a product that people wanted to buy. So here we are now showing off our floating picnic tables, and they've just become part of our product line now. So we have 8-foot, 10-foot, and 12-foot models. On the 12-foot model, I have counted as many as 17 people on one. This particular picnic table has been up the Black River, has been on Simcoe, Couchiching, and Lake Joe, and up in the Muskokas. And there's also a similar table in Georgian Bay at Central Marine. So. And it is what it is a lot of fun, and it looks like it, and it is. The people at the show here absolutely love it. Technology was actually designed for our underwater sewer and water lines. Okay. So this is for potable water, so you can drink the water. So I mean, putting this in the water is probably the most environmentally friendly thing we can do. So we got the coolers. The coolers are built into the top of the table just to keep them solid and secure. You can put your fish in one, pack it with ice, and when you catch your fish, you can throw them in there, and you got your refreshments if you like. No. Yes. Yeah, it's just for those people who have everything, this is something they haven't got yet.